Welcome to this video reviewing the wireless overlay in WhatsUp Gold. WhatsUp Gold leverages powerful discovery and mapping features to create interactive maps of your network. You can easily customize your network view using overlays. Overlays allow you to increase the level of detail you see in the My Network map. The wireless overlay provides an in-depth, real-time view of your wireless network. WhatsUp Gold automatically generates a map of all of your monitored wireless LAN controllers, access points, and SSIDs. Enabling the wireless overlay allows you to see the relationship between your wired and wireless networks and the connections between your access points and controller, even if that controller is a cloud-based controller such as the Cisco Meraki. Additional icons appear on the map to represent the individual SSIDs associated with your access points. You can see how many SSIDs you are advertising. Within each SSID icon, you can see a number indicating how many wireless clients are connected using that SSID. Click any SSID icon to open an information card specific to the SSID. This is similar to a device information card. However, it reports wireless-specific information about the SSID and its connections. This includes the access point broadcasting the SSID, the total number of clients currently connected using it, and a list of the top 10 connected clients along with their MAC addresses sorted by utilization. You can click the Total Clients link to launch the Wireless Clients report, which shows you more details about each connected client, such as the date and time when they most recently connected and the bytes of data sent and received. Or click an individual client name to launch the Wireless Clients dashboard report for that specific client. This shows you the type of traffic, the bandwidth information, and even the RSSI levels or the radio type that particular client is using. Returning to the My Network map, when you click an access point, you will see the number of SSIDs and the clients connected to the access point. If any rogue devices are detected, that number appears as well. You will also see the location, managing wireless controller, and the bytes of data transmitted and received. Again, you can click the Clients link to open the Wireless Clients report, or click the Rogues link to launch the Wireless Rogues report containing more information about these devices. Finally, let's return to My Network and click our wireless LAN controller. This could be an on-premises controller or a cloud-based manager such as Cisco Meraki. We will see the number of rogues detected and the location of the controller. We'll also see the memory and CPU utilization of the device. So you can see that this overlay is very flexible and easy to enable and disable as needed. Thank you for watching this video on the wireless overlay in WhatsUp Gold.